Today I wanted to go over what this channel is all about and talk about some of the things that we will be covering. To get us started, I'll be going over market basics in short 4 to 5 minute videos. We will be reviewing tokenomics on different coins, and we'll be setting up a few miners. From those miners, we're going to cover GPU mining, ASIC mining, proof of space mining, helium mining, and my first video will probably be, well, besides this one, my first video will be going over my mining setup, and then we'll jump into market basics right after. Full disclosure, I have no experience with video or audio editing, so this is going to be kind of a test video to get started, but I'm excited to learn and share my experience with all of you, and I hope to see you soon.